Good day, good day. It's your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines, MrRVADelivered.com with a quick affiliate marketing quick tip. Now, this right here is designed for affiliate marketing beginners who want to replicate their favorite website. And what I mean by replicate, I mean taking the colors from the particular website and reusing them to remake your own personal website. Now, to do this, you're going to use two free tools, and I'm going to show you those tools right now. So the first one, if you look up here at the top right, when I highlight it, you're going to see the color pick eyedropper. Now you can actually go to the Play Store, download this extension, this Chrome extension, for absolutely free. Now what this does is this: when I click on it, it comes up with a color scale where I can actually hover over any particular color on his website. And let's say, for example, I want to hover over this red. I want this red color here. I'm gonna click on that and I'll be able to copy the actual color code. Now, when I copy that, what I can do is use it on my own personal website that I create. And let's say I want to use that particular red as the background color. So what I'll do is add in a blank panel. And matter of fact, instead of making the background red, I'm gonna make the text just like how the text was on the website red. I want to make my text red. So all I have to do is highlight the text, whatever I have written, click on this icon here, that's for the text color, click on more colors, click in the selected color section, right click. Matter of fact, it was in the wrong section. Right click, paste, and there's our color code. So when I click OK, the text on this page should be the same color red. Awesome. So now we have the same color text, and we can actually do that to our background if we want the same color background as this particular website, down to everything on here. So if we want to add a sales button that's this particular color, all we have to do is click on here, copy that, go to our website builder. We're going to add a element, which we're going to add a button. Now that we have our button, we're going to highlight our button. And then we're just going to go into the general colors section. And as you can see, this color represents right here. I'm going to scroll, highlight, and paste our color palette in. So with that, you're able to replicate any website, any of your favorite websites. You have the ability now with two free applications. One being the color pick eyedropper, and once again, you can download that straight from the Google Play Store. That's absolutely free, and that's a Chrome extension. And for your free website builder, all you have to do is click the link in the description for a 14-day free trial of the same tool that I use to build all of my personal websites for my business, and that allows me to create a six-figure yearly income from home with affiliate marketing. So with that, have a great rest of your day.
Hi, my name is Martin. I am the marketing director for RVA Delivered. On behalf of our CEO, I would like to thank you for allowing us to help you on your journey to make money from home. I will be guiding you through the next couple of steps. Below this video you will see two links. The first link will be to your all-in-one marketing platform. This platform is essential to your success. It is the same platform that all of our websites and funnels are built on. As a business partner, you will be given not only an exclusive offer to get started using it, but we will also create your first funnel for you so that you can get started on the right track with as little learning curve as possible. Now the link below, that link will give you access to the #1 video creation tool in the world. This is one of our biggest secrets to success. It will allow you to create all kinds of videos, especially videos like the one you're looking at now, which will allow you to make money without having to personally being on camera. If you're like millions of people who understand that you have to create content in order to be successful online but you're afraid to be on camera, this solves that problem. You will be given free access to this program and also free training to learn how to use this easy drag and drop software. In the final step, we want to continue our partnership with you by inviting you to join our free private Facebook group where you will get access to additional free training to help you on your journey. And that's it. Just as promised, no hidden surprises, no additional training upsells. That's the difference between being a customer and a partner. Thanks again for your time.